If you're a fan of PayPal Money, this is the best video for you if you want to make money using PayPal. Today, I will be teaching you a step-by-step process on how to make money online. Before we go on to the tutorial, I will inform you that this strategy will require a bit of work. You need to set this up and you're done. I'll show you a website that is completely free and could help us make money. I don't want you to skip this video. Please stick with me until the conclusion so you don't miss any crucial information. And do this process correctly. If you go straight to the website and try to accomplish this on your own, you might not be able to make any money at all. We don't want that to happen, so please bear with us for a few moments. After we finish this video, you'll be able to start earning money online. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first website that we will be using is SocialPilot.co. This is the most cost-effective marketing tool wherein you can effectively manage all of your social media accounts. You might be wondering if you need a social media account to make money with this strategy. The answer is no. You don't need any social media accounts to earn in this strategy, and of course, you don't need any money to start this manner of earning online. There is no limit to how many social media accounts you can add here. If you scroll down a little bit, you can read this one. Add all your social media accounts and then some. Post all your updates without ever worrying about running out of limits. Go beyond the popular social networks to increase engagement and leads with the #1 social media scheduling and publishing tool. And right here, you can see that this platform is a powerful social media analytics and white label PDF reports with one click. Make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and fine-tune your social media strategy. Download and share beautiful and presentable social media reports in PDF format with just one click. We also have here Engage Efficiently with Social Inbox. Being a trusted social media engagement tool, reply to all your comments, messages, and post on multiple Facebook pages in real time with SocialPilot. Filter conversations and focus on the ones that matter so that you don't miss replying to any customer. With the SocialPilot, you may respond to all of your messages and comments on posts from different Facebook pages in real time. As a result, you can easily monitor everything using a SocialPilot. You can also manage clients and interact with teams, and if you want to know more about Engage Efficiently with Social Inbox, you may click this one. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now already have knowledge of what this website is all about, you can scroll to the very bottom of the site and look for the company. Under the company, click on Affiliate Programs, and it will automatically redirect you to this page right here. As you can see here, you can earn a 30% recurring commission for SocialPilot subscription sales. This means that when someone clicks on your affiliate link and then sign up for the SocialPilot, you'll get 30% of what the user pays to SocialPilot. To become a member of this website's affiliate program, you must first join SocialPilot. You don't have to spend anything because the affiliate program is completely free. Second, all you need to do is to promote it. Take advantage of a variety of promotional banners and text links to use on your websites, blog, and social media platforms. Lastly, earn money. Keep earning 30% commission for every new paid subscription with us. You get a commission for every renewal, and the affiliate program specifics are right here below, where the initial deposit is $0. And for payout requirements, you need a $50 minimum balance and at least 2 active customers referred. And for payout duration, payments are made once per month for the previous month. And the best thing here is the payment will be via PayPal. After knowing that necessary information, just simply scroll up and look for pricing on the upper portion of the site and click on it. Right on this page, you can see that you can choose between monthly and yearly plans. But in my case, I humbly recommend to all my clients to choose the yearly plans for them to save 15%. Annual plans range from $25.5 up to 127.5 US dollars. In my experience, I usually go this plan right here. Aside from earning you much bigger money, the customer also will have satisfaction in this platform. For you to know how much you can earn in this plan, just take a calculator and compute this one. 127.5 US dollars multiplied by 12 because we have 12 months in a year. That is $1,530. That's how much money SocialPilot makes from anyone who buys this package on a yearly basis. Let's multiply this by 30 because we'll make 30% commission with this. You'll have $459 every year on an autopilot system. This much money can be made with only one person. Try to imagine if you contact 100 people and 10% of them buy the plan in the SocialPilot. 459 multiplied by 10 is equal to $4,590. It's insane. The next step I want you to do is go back here on the affiliate page and click on Get Started. After you click this one, you will be redirected to the sign up page. As you can see here, become a SocialPilot partner and get paid to share SocialPilot with your followers and audience. All you need to do on this site is enter all the necessary pieces of information: your first name, last name, valid email, and password. And don't forget to click on this box to agree to their affiliate terms. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, there are 0 referrals, 0 customers, 0 clicks, and 0 unpaid earning. Everything is 0 because this account was established just for this tutorial. If we go down a little more, we'll find your affiliate link right here. What's nice about this is you can utilize your affiliate link at any point, including right now. All you have to do is copy it and paste it on your social media accounts, social media platforms, or forums. But now, I'm going to reveal to you a hidden strategy for finding a large number of potential buyers for SocialPilot plans. All you need to do is go over to this website, which is quickengigs.com. This is a freelancing website similar to Fiverr or peopleperhour.com. This is a freelancing services marketplace, which means that individuals worldwide come to this website to employ people to perform services for them. You don't have to worry about this platform since it's partnered with PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Unity. All we need to do is search for social media managing here in this search bar and simply enter. Then we'll be taken to this page where we'll find that many people advertise their services as social media managers. We're not going to be a social media manager, so don't worry. We'll refer SocialPilot to these social media managers in order to make their jobs easier, because SocialPilot will assist them in managing a variety of accounts such as social media accounts. This will be really beneficial to them. All you have to do now is communicate with them. Send these persons a message or an email informing them that you'd like to assist them by offering a SocialPilot. If they can manage more social media accounts, they will earn more. You won't have to do any work. All you have to do is tell them about the SocialPilot and what they can benefit from it. As you can see on this website, there are a lot of social media managers. What's more, if you contact people from Fiverr, TrueLancer, Freelancer, and People Per Hour, your opportunities are limitless. All you have to do now is convince them to use SocialPilot in order to make things easy for them. You will earn money each time people click on your link and purchase a plan from SocialPilot. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.